English Hebrew, I had.
היה לי.
Synapse Lingo. Welcome. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Settle in, sip something, and let's make had in Hebrew stick like hummus on warm pita. Ready to laugh, learn, and say it out loud with confidence? Let's go. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll say had for every person like a pro. The pattern is simple.
היה.
Plus, to, pronoun. Think to me, to you, in the past. The pronouns you'll hear.
לי.
To me.
לך.
To you, sg.
לא.
To him, it m.
לה.
To her, it f.
לנו.
To us.
לכם.
To you, plural.
להם.
To them. We'll weave them into jokes, drills, and a mini-scene. Forms. Say it like a pro. Repeat after me, short, punchy, unforgettable. I had.
היה לי.
You had, singular.
היה לך.
He had.
היה לו.
She had.
היה לה.
It had.
היה לו.
Objects often take masculine, some take.
היה לה.
Closing parenthesis dot. We had.
היה לנו.
You had, plural.
היה לכם.
They had.
היה להם.
Mini dialogue, the missing ticket. Listen in and jump in. Say the Hebrew bits out loud. A. Yesterday, I had the ticket.
אתמול היה לי הכרטיס.
B. Are you sure? You had it?
היה לך?
A. He had my bag.
היה לו התיק.
B. She had the plan.
היה לה התוכנית.
A. The app had a bug.
לאפליקציה היה לו באג.
B. We had time, we just panicked.
היה לנו זמן, פשוט נבהלנו.
A. You had the snacks, plural you.
היה לכם חטיפים.
B. They had only one ticket left.
היה להם רק כרטיס אחד.
Narrator. Plot twist. Everyone had something, no one had the brain. Classic. Rapid fire drills. You drive, say the Hebrew after the pause. I'll confirm. Say, I had time. Answer.
היה לי זמן.
Say, you had a good idea, singular. Answer.
היה לך רעיון טוב.
Say, he had the key. Answer.
היה לו המפתח.
Say, she had a dog. Answer.
היה לה כלב.
Say, we had no choice. Answer.
לא היה לנו ברירה.
Say, you had, plural, the tickets. Answer.
היה לכם את הכרטיסים.
Say, they had luck. Answer.
היה להם מזל.
Say, it had a small crack. Answer.
היה לו סדק קטן.
Culture tip. How Hebrew says, have. Tiny grammar nugget to make everything click. Hebrew doesn't conjugate a verb, to have, the way English does. Instead it uses an existential word plus a, to, pronoun. Present is.
יש לי.
Equals I have, past is.
היה לי.
Equals I had, negative past is.
לא היה לנו.
Equals we didn't have. Once you feel this pattern, you've basically unlocked the matrix. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal the solution. Q1. Translate, we had a car. A.
היה לנו רכב.
Q2. How do you say, you had, plural? A.
היה לכם.
Q3. He had the key in his pocket, say the key phrase, he had. A.
היה לו.
Q4. She had time, translate. A.
היה לה זמן.
Q5. They had only one ticket, translate. A.
היה להם רק כרטיס אחד.
Challenge, your yesterday story. Now it's your turn, make it personal and funny. In 4 to 6 short lines, tell a yesterday story using all 8 English targets at least once. I had, you had, sing, he had, she had, it had, we had, you had, plural, they had. For each line, add the Hebrew.
היה לי, היה לך, היה לו, היה לה, היה לנו, היה לכם, היה להם.
Example starter. I had coffee.
היה לי קפה.
We had a plan.
היה לנו תוכנית.
Add a silly twist for bonus smiles. Wrap up. Nice work. You just powered up your Hebrew past tense superpower. Today you mastered the core set. I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, you had, plural, they had, with their Hebrew twins.
היה לי, היה לך, היה לו, היה לה, היה לנו, היה לכם, היה להם.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, share your mini story with a friend, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time with Synapse Lingo.